Hey everyone, good morning. I woke up around 7 a.m. I finished all my work. Now it's time for breakfast. For breakfast, I have mandia. I don't know what it's called in other language. I will insert a picture here. I have mandia and curd. Now I am going to attend the Testbook SBI Clerk live mock. I always told you guys to clear your basic first, but after that we have to practice and analyze. Few weeks back I found this website called Testbook. You can also download their app from Play Store. I found out that in Testbook you can attend a lot of live mock where you can know your rank among a lot of students. As SBI Clerk exam is near, you can check out their SBI Clerk mock test. Link will be in the description. You can find around 95 total tests and 5 pre-tests where you can check out their questions also. The best thing is their yearly pass is very affordable. It's only $299 where you can access to 17,000 plus mock. Also you can access to their other study materials. Not only banking, you can also prepare for SSC, railway, defense and more than 310 exams. Their yearly pass is for $299 and 2-year pass is $399. You can use my code digit10 to get additional 10% off in your purchase. All the details will be mentioned in the description box. Please check out. Now I am just writing down my to-do list for the week. I like to plan my week. I always like to keep in mind which subject I have to complete in this week so I don't get confused while studying. Now I am practicing sitting arrangement of reasoning. I am pretty good at this, but I really need more practice to solve in less time. So I am doing that. So just do that. In reasoning, I like to write down the data first, then I start solving the puzzle. But in case of easy question, I like to solve directly. Don't waste my time in writing the data. This is my way of doing. You can do what suits you best. I also send this question to my Telegram group. You can join the group. The name will be in the description. You can check that out. Now I am going to revise quant. I already told you guys I am little weak in quant. I am actually weak in arithmetic, so I am going to do time and work, pipe and system, permutation, combination and probability and other subject as well. So I am going to just go through my notebooks and revise them. Also guys, I am planning to do a video where I just go through my revision note that I can show you what I revise, how I revise. So let me know if you will be interested to watch that type of video. No more talking, let's do the revise first. Also I want to say that all of you asking me about book, I have a complete set of books from Adda. I did not buy that. I got that from my coaching center, the coaching center I used to go for my basic. So they gave us a set of Adda books. So I think Adda books are good for beginner. They provide all the rule, all the concept. Then they provide 3 type of questions: simple, moderate, and difficult. They also provide previous year questions. So if you are a beginner, if you wanna buy any book, I will suggest to buy Adda books. They are very good. Many of you are asking about me about the Q&A video. I will like to say I will upload the video in mid of June. I still need to shoot, edit and then upload. I am little busy. I will try my best to upload them before 15 June. So wait for that video. After dinner, I start my study. I like to practice more questions from books, from different websites. I made a video where I show what app I use for my banking preparation. You can check out that to get an idea about apps. There is a lot of apps you can get free mocks. So I am attending a free mocks from Testbook. You can also access to their free mock. Next, I did some quant revision from the chapter quadratic equation and time and work. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.